Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Real quick video. I just did a video on this using the Symmetry tool, and I stated in that deal that you have to have a new page. So I just pressed Control C to copy it, and I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to go to Object, Symmetry, New Symmetry. Now mine's not in the center of the page anymore, but I'm going to grab it and hit P. I just like working in the center page. I was going off by the way he'd done it. And then I started thinking about when I was loading that video, I thought, it'd been a lot easier just to use the curve, 3-point curve line. A lot easier. And look at that. Well, it needs to have a little bit of a point here, but that could be done. Just take that and maybe add a node and bring that in, and that looks pretty good. That much faster. Let's get rid of this node and see what happened. Yep. And then you could always, what I like about the Symmetry tool, you can keep tweaking it until you like it. So I would suggest that he just use the 3-point curve line. Now, if we finish this, I right click and paste, there's my old one. So I'm not perfect. And if we break it apart, you could still play with it and make it your own. Just like anything else, let's say you once have done the Symmetry tool and you don't like it, you could just take a 2-point line. I had the 3-point line connected or hooked up. 2-point line and hit P and delete one side and then play with it. What I was trying to get across with the Symmetry tool, you're kind of seeing it in real time, what it's really going to, I don't like that at all, what it's really going to look like. Because then you could take this and Control D, and before we had the Symmetry tool, this is the way I used to draw. Then you could take that center line apart and always fill it in with the Smart Fill tool. I had it picked on white from earlier. And there you have another shield. Now I have a couple of videos on shield. I might even look them up and post them at the bottom of this video. Because I think it's a lot easier way than we did it today. Anyway, I hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.